Hey everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is ribs. That's right, meat. These are pork ribs that my mom got from Sam's Club. A lot of them, as you'll see in the video, it's like 9 pounds of ribs. And we got this recipe by watching Southern Keto, our friend on YouTube. So my mom's going to put a link to his video in the description box below. We also looked at recipes.instapot.com. But basically, this is smoked ribs, but in the Instapot. It does not take very long at all, and they were delicious. So you really need to look at this video and give this a try. I hope you guys have a great Monday. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog, out.
As Yoda said, we are making some Instapot smoked ribs today. That's right, in the Instapot, not in a smoker. And we're doing this off of Southern Keto's recipe on YouTube. So I'll put a link to his original recipe in the description box below. But we're using our big, huge Instapot. I only have a big, huge one. And we have put some stuff down the bottom already before, obviously a trivet. And I bought a silicone one. I don't use the silver one that comes with it. I don't know, I like this one better. And then we have a cup of water, except I'm doubling his recipe because I have almost 10 pounds of ribs that I got from Sam's Club, and he had 5.5, so I'm hoping this works. We'll see. And then you're supposed to do 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, but I did 6. And then you're supposed to do a teaspoon of liquid smoke, and I did 2 teaspoons of liquid smoke. So that's what's in the bottom down here. And then we've got our ribs over here from Sam's Club. As you can see, it's like 9.84 pounds. So we're gonna take them out of here and dry them with paper towels. We got paper towels all ready to dry them with. So we gotta dry them off before we put them in the Instapot. So we've dried them off. We took some paper towels, pressed it in there. This is just one rack. We'll do the second one in a minute. So we're gonna use this meat rub. It's called Wright's Barbecue Meat Rub. It's for everything. Ribs is the first thing on there. I got this from Arkansas, actually. So we're gonna put this on here all over the front and the back side of this thing, and then we will massage it in. Now he has a recipe for a meat rub that you can have if you'll go to his video, which again, I'm linking in the description box below. So if you don't have a meat rub or you wanna make your own, he has a great keto meat rub recipe. But this one is pretty keto because there is only one gram of carbs, so not bad. So then you do the massage treatment. You massage in all the flavor of into the ribs. Massage, massage, massage. And make sure you cover all spots, and you're gonna flip it over and do the other side. I got some more spots I need to cover, it looks like. Okay, so again, ours is a little bigger, so it barely fits in here, but you gotta do it in a circle. So you put one rack of ribs in on the trivet, and then it's like a complete circle. You circle in the other one within it, and fingers crossed the lid shuts. Please shut, please shut. Okay, it's shut, woo! Okay, you put it on sealing, and we're gonna pressure cook it, so manual, for not that long, 25 minutes. And get down to 25 minutes. Then we're gonna natural release it. Now he did it for 5, but again, I have a lot more meat in there. And some of the other recipes I read online, including the one on recipes.instapot.com, said that you natural release for 10 minutes. So since I have so much meat in there, I'm gonna nobody said do over 25 though on this part. So I'm gonna do 25 minutes of pressure cooking, and then I am going to let it natural release for 10 minutes before I take the lid off and before I quick release if any other pressure. So we'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so we let it natural release for 10 minutes, and look, we are up to 197.9, 198. You want them to be between 190 and 203 degrees for fall off the bonus. So it worked. We let it natural release for 10, then I pushed it to quick release the rest of the way, and we are good on temperature. So now we gotta take them out of here. So we're gonna use our little tongs here. Take them out of here and put them on a foiled pan and then put them into an oven, which is on broil, after we put the barbecue sauce on it. So to make it keto, we're using Primal Kitchen's unsweetened classic barbecue sauce. So this one is like really low in carbs. So we're gonna take this and spread it on there with our little silicone brush after we get these on here, and then into the, so you take them out of the Instapot, it worked, they're cooked, and you lay them on a pan covered in foil, which is what we did here. And then we're gonna use our barbecue sauce here. You have to put it on both sides. Mind you, we did not take the membrane off of this because it's a lot of collagen that's really good for you in that, so there was really no need to. But if you want to, you can do that before you put them into the Instapot. So put the barbecue sauce on, spread it all out with your silicone brush, and then you're gonna flip them over and do the other side before you put it in the oven. All right, the ribs are out and they are done. Aren't they gorgeous? La, la, la. They're crispy. I only did 3 minutes under the broil, and that's what you want. So looking good. Enjoy. Bye.